hello YouTube. Thank you guys for the 1000 subscribers. Like, it's really nice that people are actually interested and want to support the channel. But I didn't even know it's gonna be a channel last year when I published those two videos. But apparently it's going to be a YouTube channel. So thank you everyone so much for the support. At the moment we're on the 183 going towards Pinner, and we're at Kingsbury at the moment. And at Kingsbury the time now is 2:37. And the traffic is kinda very slow moving.
Right, call from the Network Management Control Centre, another diversion broadcast in relation to the Ukraine Solidarity March, which is currently moving southbound on Park Lane, which is not mentioned on the NOE because they should have set off at Hyde Park Corner going towards Piccadilly. The front end will be approaching Piccadilly shortly. All routes that serve Piccadilly and Piccadilly Circus, if you're mentioned on the NOE EP24 50330, you have to go on diversion or curtailment as per the notice of event, please. Thank you, NMCTL.
Like, today is Saturday, so I will upload this video and you guys will probably watch it on Sunday. So yeah, have a nice weekend guys. I am working this weekend because that's how it is to be a bus driver. You don't get the weekends off, you are usually working on the weekends. And for those of you that don't know which bus route we are doing, bus route is right over here, 183 towards Pinner. So that's a bit of useful information for those of you that are not bus drivers and don't know what is what in the driver's cabin. I decided that I will be uploading like 2 videos per week that are long videos, and I'll do a short video. That short video is usually going to be with some useful information or just answering your questions, and in general it will be just me doing stuff other than just driving. So today we have nice weather for the moment, but there is obviously some not so nice looking clouds in the distance. So it's probably gonna rain later today. But thank you guys for the support, and once again, have a nice weekend. Enjoy the videos. And then do tell in the comment section if you have any questions or things like that. I have plenty of videos planned. Just let's hope that I have the time to do them. So that's from me. I will cut this video here because, well, watching traffic is not the most interesting thing. So Take care, guys. Hello, if somebody wants to walk, just come to the front door and I will let you off. The weather is okay, so you can walk if you want. If you don't want to be stuck in traffic.